Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Command. Coinbase better watch out because Robinhood is joining the crypto party. Stock trading mobile app Robinhood has announced that they will enable trading of crypto on their platform without fees. So Robinhood is an app that can currently be used to buy and sell stocks without any fees attached. It is a pretty simple service, but very easy to use, where you can link a bank account, buy and sell stock. The intro level service that they provide is completely free to users. They have an advanced version that enables options trading and after hours trading that does have a paid aspect, but the intro level is free. And so what they have announced now is that they are going to add initially Bitcoin and Ethereum to their platform. These can be traded 24/7 and commission free. So in comparison to the fees that are being paid on Coinbase, you can now link a bank account and do this without any fees. So this is what we've been waiting for to eliminate the Coinbase monopoly. So let's take a look at the Robinhood website, the way that this is designed. So very simple. How much do you want to pay in US dollars? This is what the charts look like. You scroll down, say, I want to buy BTC, click on it, buy, and put in the amount that you want, given what the price is. This is how much of the coin that you get. As easy as that. Very simple interface, slick design. So that's all there is to it. So this will also be an interesting move for Robinhood because it will have crypto and stocks all in one place. So they're going to have Bitcoin and Ethereum as they initially roll this out. It's currently at a stage where you can click sign up for access to the crypto platform. So let's take a closer look at exactly what they're going to roll out. So a number of news articles have picked this up. And overall, they are going to roll this out to 5 states in the United States to start. So that's going to be California, Massachusetts, Montana, New Hampshire, and Missouri. So that is based on the way that they see regulations in the U.S. guiding this. So they're going to start out small, but plan to scale this up. They have this company has raised $176 million in venture capital. So they're growing this platform. There's a lot to back it right now, and trying not to miss out on the crypto opportunity. So the company will let customers add 16 different cryptocurrencies to their watch list. And so they are planning to add additional coins beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum as they continue to develop the crypto aspect of their app. So the other coins that they are planning to add to the platform include Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, XRP, Ethereum Classic, Zcash, Monero, Dash, Stellar, Quantum, Bitcoin Gold, Amise Go, Neo, Lisk, and Dogecoin. So quite a list, quite an extensive list of coins that potentially could be purchased directly through fiat currency, all from the general consumer market. So this is an interesting development. Could be a great app to use, and look forward to trying this one out. So all that's to come in 2018. We will keep you updated as more information becomes available about this. So let's move over, take a look at the way that the markets are looking today. So after things were trying to bounce a little bit yesterday. We are back in the red today. So really what we're seeing is just a sideways moving market. Can't really get out of this 5 billion, low 5 billion market cap range. So currently sitting at 514 billion for the total crypto market. Bitcoin is sitting at $10,590 right now. As we pointed out yesterday, we are looking for Bitcoin to hold levels above 99.50, and as long as that's the case, it seems that Bitcoin is just going to continue to move sideways until there's really an indicator that this is going to trend in one direction or the other. But as it has frequently been the case, the rest of the market is tending to follow the Bitcoin price, and so we are seeing pretty much everything go down. So today, one thing that I wanted to focus on is the number of coins that we have that have these tremendous market caps. And how sustainable is this for so many of these coins? So we have a lot of these now large cap cryptos that are sitting above the $1 billion mark. So amazingly, we have 32 that are now above $1 billion. And so going through the top 100 on CoinMarketCap, these are all in the 200 million plus range. Are all of these cryptos really deserving of having levels that high? And so a lot of people who are new to crypto are looking at these initial prices, seeing prices that are small and or prices that are low, and buying in based on that, thinking that that's the opportunity to get in at a low price, see big returns. So, of course, we know that the market cap is tied to the circulating supply of all of these coins and tokens relative to the price. So we have to take all of those into account. Now, trying to find quality coins in this market, the other indicator that we have on CoinMarketCap is the volume. And this is really a great way to try to find the quality coins, the coins that can sustain these market caps, especially in a market that's moving sideways like we're currently seeing and will likely continue to see as we move into February. So coins that are trading in volumes of the billion-dollar range are likely to continue to see this maturing of their markets and be able to sustain these levels. EOS has been particularly interesting over the past few weeks and months. Let's take a quick look at the EOS charts. You can see this is really, it's appearing like a shot to the moon where nothing has been able to slow down the EOS price action. There's a lot of good tech behind EOS. Not going to get into that today, but this is the Binance chart. So this has only been around since October on Binance, but you can see that we've had this extension, and whether or not this rally can continue, and you can continue to see this high RSI and high 15-day moving average extending above the 50-day moving average. There's no real reason to say that this is going to pull back, but one thing that I have not mentioned on this channel yet that I definitely want to get across, and of course take this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. But buying into a coin at an all-time high like we're seeing with EOS is not the best opportunity to see strong returns. So there have been patterns on EOS, things that have started to look like cup and handles, different patterns that would indicate that this might be able to continue to go higher. I'm not going to try to draw anything like that on EOS today. All that I want to point out is that EOS has strong fundamentals behind it. The volume that has gone into EOS has been able to maintain its levels at maintaining high levels But altogether, all-time highs are not necessarily the best place to get in. It does seem like there could be an overextension here and an opportunity to get into EOS at a lower price target. So, that said, with high volumes, EOS pretty deservingly has moved into the top 10 coins. The thing to look for, a lot of high opportunities fall within more of these mid-cap range as we get below the 1 billion market cap. And if we try to look for quality coins in this range, you can see that on the volume as we move through here, not trying to pinpoint any particular coins or spread FUD about any of these coins, I simply want to point out that coins like RChain, given I know very little about RChain, but having a volume less than $1 million in the past 24 hours for a coin that has a market cap at 587 million does not necessarily set up for strong fundamentals for this in the short term. So this could be a coin that explodes in the short term, but until there is volume that can support the price, that's not necessarily the top coin that I would be looking for to move through this sideways moving market. And you can see a few of these as you scroll through the top 100. We have things like DentaCoin, also much lower relative to its total market cap for the volume. And some of these really just don't seem like they are sustainable. And this is where we get a lot of the volatility in the price action. So here, another coin, Kryptonex, that has small volume, only 400,000 for a 345 million market cap coin. So this is frequently happening. So Kin also sitting well below the 1 billion or the $1 million mark for the volume. Let's take a quick look at Kin just to show you part of what drives this. If we look at the actual markets where Kin is being traded, you can see that it's not present on any major exchanges. Ether Delta is the largest exchange that it is on. And so this has a lot to do with why there is not more volume in these coins. So absolutely not trying to spread FUD on any of these coins that I have mentioned here, simply saying that volatility, your liquidity in these coins is limited because of the small volume. So in this market where we are continuing to see days in the red, everything is just not moving up and to the right, just be careful about which coins you're getting in, which can actually sustain the prices where they are and have where you can really benefit when this market corrects and we see the bullish trends that we've seen before. There's still plenty of room to grow for all of these coins, but some of them may be susceptible as due to their low volume. So that is simply what I wanted to share with you today. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. If you have comments on some of these coins, other coins that you're particularly excited about, leave it in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and until next time, thanks for watching Crypto Command.